as you can see, we got ourselves a nice project. So what you're looking at here is a 2002 Acura RSX. Now, couldn't resist the price I got this thing at. So I got it, and I started to tear it down because I was super excited and I wanted to figure out what the heck is wrong with it. And as you guys know, Midnight Mulisha here, we are into doing this kind of stuff. So we're gonna get this restored. Now, we're looking at approximately $1,220. Now I have the hood, I have the front bumper, I have the headlights. I just took those off because I got this frame here. I don't know if you can capture that, but there's movement right there. There we go. Then we got this left fender beat up, and the headlights don't work. So we got some wiring issues, we got some cosmetic issues mainly, and some suspension issues. So again, $1,220 should fix this thing up. Now, looking into coilovers, we're looking into OEM style hood, OEM fenders, and a little bit about the car. Everything works as far as the freaking remote windows, the freaking electricity, the electric windows, the sunroof, everything works. So if you guys are interested in the build, and if you guys are interested in the maintenance, the cost, how to do things, I'm learning myself, so not everything's gonna be perfect, but here we go. Registration. Dang. Restoration number 1, 2002 RSX base model. Unfortunately, not the Type S, nor is it manual, but I don't know.